Hello, this is your girl Lilith, and today I will transform into a full glam drag queen, fall edition. Please stick around the full video, enjoy every minute of it. Maybe I could help you, but let's get started. The first thing you want to do is put the wig cap on. So the next step will be gluing your eyebrows down. And the way you want to glue your eyebrows down, it's up to you. Everyone has their unique process when they are doing drag, and I think it's important to accept everyone in this lovely drag community. The first thing you want to do is glue down your eyebrows. I just glued them down. It's up to you what you want to use. If you want to use a glue stick or if you prefer something else. I just put the orangey paste on my face, blended it in with a beauty blender. Now it's time for you to powder it a bit. Doesn't matter what powder you use. So what I will do now is I will put a base on, and before I do that, there's something we have to do with the eyebrows. We have to put some powder on it. So what I just did was I pressed the powder into my eyebrows, put the powder away, and now I want you guys to follow me on the next step. It's to apply the base foundation. I use Kryolan 4W, depends what skin tone you have. So the next step is to blend it in with a beauty blender. What I do now is I sculpt the contour the way I want to sculpt it. So I put the contour on. Remember, this is a process, trust the process. So what I will do now is I will put the tipping paint stick white on. Trust the process. And it's time to blend this as well. Our next step is to blend in the contouring. So the next thing I will do on my eyebrows, and I use a tinted brow pomade. Is it called pomade from NYX Tame and Frame? I love using it because it does the job. So the next step is to correct it in a way. Be really precise what you're doing, because you can mess it all up. So I put my powder thing on, and now I can take it off again with that one. So as you can see, I just removed the powder from my face, and now we'll go into my eye makeup. So the reason why I do this because It will help me work with my face later on. So what I will do now, I will use my hands like this. Because I will do a glam look, I will use the eyeshadow palette from Yves Saint Laurent. I got it 2 years ago. It's doing its job. And what I'm gonna choose is, because I'm gonna go bonkers in a way, I'm gonna choose these two colors here. For the blending part, you have to be patient with it. Just for safety keeping, I will put that powder on. So I've done the first preparation of the makeup look. I will do some concealing. Now it's time to use your fingers. I'm using my finger again. So I have just done the basics of my eye makeup. What I love to do now is I will go in with another color to make it look more like Glamour Lady. So the next thing is something I don't like. It's called getting the eyeliner out. Trust me, it's a process. Going back into the back collar anytime. But for now, we have to let it sit there for a while. So, what I want to do now is get something like this and a black collar. So, what I will do now is I will put some definition into that look with a black eyeshadow color. We'll go into what I just and now it's time to give your look a bit of a definition. So this is the first step, the glam look. Now we want to define it more because we have to go draggy, don't we? And then I will follow that path that I just do. Now it's time to blend. Don't be scared of your well, don't let fear ruin your life. And makeup, I think it can take that fear away because you can go bonkers with it. Just express yourself. Allow yourself to look scary sometimes. Important life lesson. So the next thing I will do is I will do some highlighting and some highlighting magic with my eyes. So the next step I want to do are my lips. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not wasting my time on doing like a big lip. Makes me look weird. And you don't have to invest in this, you can use any product. Just going with the flow. And the next thing I will do is I will do some contouring. Now it's time to blend. You have to trust the process. When you're not trusting the process, you're losing it. And that's why most people fail, because they feel like, I can't do it, I can't do it, but keep doing it. So I use the brighter color for the eye area to give it a bit of a creation. You will see the difference later on. That's the white color that I put on, and you can see the difference. Now we'll use something darker, matching my skin color, and I will, in a way, play with my jawline. What I love doing is I love blending this as well in a way. So now it's time for the eyebrows. So I've applied the highlighter. Now it's time to use your blending brush. I just put my lashes on. For some of you it might take longer. But yes, I think now it's time to add some fine highlighter to it. As I told you, everyone does it differently. There we are. Hello, so I just put my fixing sprays on, and now it's time for me to put the wig on. I will be back here in a second. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will answer mostly anything. And I would appreciate you subscribing to my channel. And see you the next time. Bye bye.